Today, Wandering Channel will experience Bogatell Beach in Barcelona, one of the great destinations for tourists who want to experience immersion in the extremely comfortable and vibrant sea atmosphere of this city. With smooth sand and clear blue sea, Bogatell attracts people not only by its natural beauty but also by its vibrant atmosphere filled with positive energy. The space is warm, with gentle music and lights sparkling, creating the ideal environment to end a long day on the Barcelona coast. Bogatell is not only an ideal beach destination but also a symbol of the vibrant and relaxing lifestyle in this city, where visitors can enjoy unforgettable moments on the Mediterranean coast. When talking about Barcelona, it's impossible not to mention bikini girls walking on the beach. At Bogatell Beach in Barcelona, the beauty and confidence of bikini-clad girls create a vibrant and energetic image. Bikinis with delicate colors and unique designs are worn on their bodies like a vivid painting, highlighting their natural charm against the backdrop of the clear blue sea. The girls at Bogatell not only show confidence through their outfits but also through their posture, gestures and comfort when immersing themselves in the sea air. They enjoy the warm rays of sunlight, the gentle lapping of the ocean waves and the cool sea breeze without hesitation. This confidence is not just about appearance but also about being confident and comfortable with yourself. With the soft sunlight highlighting their shiny skin, the girls at Bogatell appeared happy and confident amidst the wonderful sea space. They are an inspiration not only to those around them but also a symbol of freedom and joy of living on one of Barcelona's most beautiful beaches. Bogatell Beach in Barcelona is not only a great destination for relaxation and fun, but also a symbol of the country's politeness and respect. With fine white sand, clear blue sea and fresh sea air, Bogatell creates an elegant and relaxing space, reflecting the sophisticated lifestyle of the Catalan people. Politeness and confidence are often seen in the way people enjoy this beach. Visitors and residents alike maintain a clean and tidy environment, demonstrating responsibility and respect for the environment. Not only that, mutual respect is also shown in visitors enjoying the common space without disturbing others. Bogatell Beach is a melting pot of sophistication and culture. Feeling this polite atmosphere when immersing yourself in the cool seawater or enjoying delicious dishes at coastal bars and restaurants is an unforgettable experience. This is not just a beach, but a symbol of a country that turns the sea into a polite and pure place. Wandering Beach Walk envisions the spirit of adventure, inviting everyone to embark on a journey along the coast and indulge in the joy of discovery. Bogatell Beach in Barcelona offers a wonderful environmental scene, especially when the girls in bikinis create a lively and seductive picture. In the 4K beach walk videos, each step on the smooth white sand seems to undulate rhythmically, highlighting the confidence and comfort when enjoying the sea air in the warm embrace of the sun. Girls in bikinis often appear in beach walk vlogs, creating a fresh and dynamic image. Sometimes, images of them in love with the sea and sand create romantic moments and closeness to nature. Alone, they walk on the beach, enjoying peace and freedom, creating beautiful 4K beach walk tour videos that captivate the hearts of viewers. Bogatell Beach is not only a convenient location for beach walks but also an ideal place to capture wonderful moments of sea life. This is truly a beautiful country, where natural beauty and urban culture collide, creating a wonderful experience for every visitor. Video before the channel we created a great video about beautiful beaches in Barcelona. If you want to watch the previous video, click on the link I left below in the description. Bogatell Beach in Barcelona is not only a famous tourist destination but also a vivid picture of the people and unique culture here. With gentle steps on the fine sand and Barcelona Bogatell Beach, visitors not only experience a relaxing journey but are also immersed in a sophisticated and culturally rich atmosphere. Walks in Barcelona Beach are not only an opportunity to relax and enjoy the warm sunshine of the Barcelona summer, but also an opportunity to better understand the unique culture of the local community. One can often see people's harmony and happiness as they participate in fun activities on the beach, from vibrant artistic volleyball matches to street art performances. Participating in the Wandering Beach Walk promotes mindfulness, as people immerse themselves in the present, appreciating the sound of the waves and the feel of the sand under their feet. Civilized conservation at this beach is demonstrated in the way residents and visitors respect the environment. Bogatell Beach is maintained clean and tidy, keeping the space green and clean next to the coastline. With cultural activities such as performing arts and community events, Bogatell Beach is also an annual space for interaction and sharing between locals and visitors. This contributes to making the beach not only an entertainment destination but also a place to preserve and develop Barcelona's unique culture. Participating in the Wandering Beach Walk promotes mindfulness, as people immerse themselves in the present, appreciating the sound of the waves and the feel of the sand under their feet. Bogatell Beach in Barcelona is ideal for walks and relaxing beach holidays. At the beginning of a walk, visitors will be immersed in the fresh sea air and feel the warmth of the sun's rays. Along the smooth white sand, gentle steps create a harmonious and relaxing image. A vacation at Bogatell Beach is not only about enjoying natural beauty but also an opportunity to participate in exciting recreational activities. The Wandering Beach Walk is consistent with sustainable tourism principles, encouraging responsible tourism practices to preserve the natural beauty of the beach for future generations. When choosing when to visit Bogatell Beach in Barcelona, your choice of season and weather conditions can affect your travel experience. Summer, from June to August, is usually the best time to visit Bogatell Beach. During this period, Barcelona experiences tropical sunny days, idyllic seas and a more vibrant coastal entertainment scene. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our Wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our Wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone and see you in the next videos.